Servicenow Certified System Administration Exam. 1. What is the primary function of a Servicenow business rule? A. Modify UI elements. B. Automate background processes. C. Create reports. D. Manage security roles. Answer. B. Automate background processes. 2. Which of the following is not a type of Servicenow table? A. Task table. B. User table. C. Catalog item table. D. Project table. Answer. D. Project table. 3. What is the purpose of service level agreements, SLAs, in Servicenow? A. Define workflow durations. B. Specify incident triggers. C. Ensure IT service performance and availability. D. Customize form appearance. Answer. C. Ensure IT service performance and availability. 4. Which module is used to manage user roles and permissions? A. User administration. B. Security operations. C. Configuration management. D. Incident management. Answer. A. User administration. 5. In Servicenow, what is an incident used for? A. Track infrastructure changes. B. Manage IT asset lifecycle. C. Handle service requests. D. Record and manage service disruptions. Answer. D. Record and manage service disruptions. 6. How can you create a new catalog item in Servicenow? A. Create a new form in Service Catalog. B. Add a new entry in the task table. C. Define a new workflow in Workflow Editor. D. Use the Service Catalog Builder. Answer. D. Use the Service Catalog Builder. 7. Which component of a UI policy controls when it is applied? A. Script. B. Condition. C. Scheduled job. D. Business rule. Answer. B. Condition. 8. What is the purpose of the Application Navigator in Servicenow? A. Configure user roles. B. Navigate and access applications and modules. C. Design workflows. D. Create and manage SLAs. Answer. B. Navigate and access applications and modules. 9. What does a data lookup rule do? A. Defines field display on forms. B. Maps and populates data between fields. C. Manages data import, export. D. Schedules data backups. Answer. B. Maps and populates data between fields. 10. Which feature would you use to track changes to configuration items, sys? A. Incident management. B. Change management. C. Problem management. D. Service catalog. Answer. B. Change management. 11. How can you create a new form view for a table? A. Customize a UI policy. B. Create a new form layout in Form Designer. C. Define a new business rule. D. Modify the existing UI script. Answer. B. Create a new form layout in Form Designer. 12. Which of the following actions can you perform using a list layout? A. Design form views. B. Configure fields in a list. C. Define business rules. D. Manage user roles. Answer. B. Configure fields in a list. 13. What does a UI action allow you to do? A. Automate background processes. B. Create a new report. C. Add buttons, links, or context menu options to forms and lists. D. Define conditions for UI policies. Answer. C. Add buttons, links, or context menu options to forms and lists. 14. What is the function of the form designer? A. Configure data lookups. B. Create and modify forms and their layouts. C. Set up SLAs. D. Manage data import, export. Answer. B. Create and modify forms and their layouts. 15. How can you add a new field to a form? A. Modify the list layout. B. Use the form designer to add the field. C. Create a new UI policy. D. Define a new business rule. Answer. B. Use the form designer to add the field. User and group management. 16. What is the purpose of a user role in Servicenow? A. Control form visibility. B. Manage access to different features and data. C. Define workflow rules. D. Configure field options. Answer. B. Manage access to different features and data. 17. How can you assign roles to a user? A. Through the user administration module. B. By creating a new catalog item. C. By modifying a business rule. D. In the data lookup rules configuration. Answer. A. Through the user administration module. 18. What is a group used for in Servicenow? A. Define workflow conditions. B. Manage users with similar permissions. C. Create new catalog items. D. Track service level agreements. Answer. B. Manage users with similar permissions. 19. Where can you define user-specific settings and preferences? A. In the user administration module. B. In the system properties section. C. In the user's profile. D. In the form designer. Answer. C. In the user's profile. 20. What does the user administration module enable you to do? A. Configure UI policies. B. Manage users, groups, and roles. C. Design service catalog items. D. Set up SLAs. Answer. B. Manage users, groups, and roles. 21. Which component allows you to automate complex business processes in Servicenow? A. Data lookup rules. B. Business rules. C. Workflow editor. D. UI policies. Answer. C. Workflow editor. 22. What is a workflow used for in Servicenow? A. Define user roles. B. Automate business processes through a series of tasks. C. Customize form layouts. D. Manage catalog items. Answer. B. Automate business processes through a series of tasks. 23. How can you create a new workflow in Servicenow? A. Use the workflow editor to design and save the workflow. B. Create a new business rule. C. Define a new data lookup rule. D. Configure a new UI policy. Answer. A. Use the workflow editor to design and save the workflow. 24. What does a workflow activity represent? A. A step in a workflow that performs a specific action. B. A set of conditions in a business rule. C. A user role. D. A data lookup condition. Answer. A. A step in a workflow that performs a specific action. 25. Which feature is used to manage and visualize workflows in Servicenow? A. Workflow editor. B. Form designer. C. List layout. D. UI policy. Answer. A. Workflow editor.